Welcome guys. So today we're gonna talk about Project Next by Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. Okay, so this is their sales page. Okay, basically in this review I'm gonna make a full review what you will get inside this course. It costs $997. Okay, I'm gonna sell it for we are selling it the same for very low price. You can find the link in the description. Okay, I'm gonna show you later in the video how to get this course. Okay, this is the continue. Now let's start with the actual sales page. Confidentially launch and scale your digital product in 2021. So what you will get access is Project Next. You can find their sales page. Okay, just look for Project Next by Tony Robbins. You can find this sales page. So basically you have a digital product system, 8-part masterclass series, preferred ticket to 3-day virtual live event, 3 free months to our incredible implementation tool. So that's what he said. Now we're gonna so after you purchase from us this course for $25, they are selling it for $997. We sell it only for $25, so you can see how much we're gonna make you save money. And each course we have in our channel is fully discounted, and you can buy it from us from the link in the description. And once you will buy it, you will get the link to access this platform where you can watch their videos directly from here. So let's start model number 1. So you can play the video.
Hey, it's Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins, and welcome to Mastermind.com. Welcome to being a part of the self. And today we get to go through the digital.
So yeah, that was model number 1. Okay. This is like an introduction something, and all the resources you will get with it, so don't worry or something like that. Everything is legit. So this is their calendar, Project Next calendar. Okay. So you get all the resources they have, even MP3 format, so you can listen to it directly, not as a video. And you can see here the title of each model. Model number 1, become unstoppable, and then create your framework, market your message. I guess this to do with marketing, and this is lead generation, and here sell and serve, like how so you just click here at the video and you watch Tony Robbins talking.
Welcome back, and here you are at Module 5. Listen, before we...
So just that was quick run through our stuff. Okay, now just as simple as it gets. Okay, so toolbox, and as you can see, like the weekly masterclass, they are all here, one video, all in as replays. Okay, and yeah, you can get this the same course that he is selling right here. Don't pay $997. So instead of paying $997, you can just pay $25 and you are done. you will get the same course, the same sources, everything. So just that will save you a lot of money. Okay, and yeah, you can check our channel. Yeah, this is our channel. We made the 3 reviews about some courses before, and all those courses you will find them in our channel, and every course access you can find the link in the description. And just to bear on mind, the moment you purchase, we have PayPal and wait, I'm gonna show you a model of. So you will see a page like this. Is not the same because just I'm gonna I didn't create where you can purchase yet, but you will find it as soon as I post this video. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how you will find this page and how you pay. Okay, so I'm gonna make this description, all of this, you will find it here so you can read it more. Okay, you just simply add your first name, last name, email address where you can gonna receive the access to this model. Okay, because I'm gonna give you a link, give you direct access to this, so you don't need no download, nothing. Just click here and play video, or click with the right and you click preview. Okay, so and here we have Google Pay or credit card, which is powered by Stripe, or bank account support, or PayPal. PayPal is safer, and just click PayPal and click order now after you're filling all your information. And when you click order now, you will be redirect to PayPal, and you can pay that if you want, if you feel secure with PayPal. Okay, and you will find other products which is similar, or all our products we are selling for 25, like this one and also this one. I'm gonna add them, so you just click add and you're gonna see what you're gonna pay, 50. So yeah, just click PayPal, you fill your information. When you click order, a window gonna pop up of paypal.com. okay, they will show your information and all of that. Once you pay, they will show you a thank you page, and you go straight to your email, and you're gonna download a text. In that text, I gonna add you a link which is gonna give you the access directly to this course. Okay, that's gonna be simple, and this is all of it in this video. So yeah, thank you, and check our channel, give us a like and subscribe. Goodbye.